Look what came in the mail today. A Cobra 148 GTL. Is it real? Is it not? I don't know. It was cheap. I bought it on the marketplace. I need to stop buying things on the marketplace. What's good about it? It turns on. What's bad about it? I don't know yet. It turns on, it transmits, it receives. So, it blew. It goes 410 and 410 again. So that's good. So let's take a quick tour. See what's good, see what's bad. I'm going to shut it on down. Pull the mic out. I've already sprayed a little deoxit on there. Thanks, that's so nice. Alright, let's look in the... Ever try to hold a phone? Oh, mighty close. Stop that. Alright, so they done a freak mod. Use the MB8719. And they just... It's the poor man's mod. Can you see that? Probably not. And I ran it down here to some switches on the back. So I'll probably take those out. Might not. Don't care if it works correctly. I can do math. Plus 32, minus 32, plus 64, etc. Maybe something else, minus 16. Who knows? There it is. And so with the switches like that, it runs regular. Now, it is, let's see if I can get back there. Note, this is the one that came out right after made in the Philippines, and they moved it to the Malaysia plant. And notice it says made in the Malaysia, not just Malaysia. That's one of the ways you identify this particular radio. The Malaysia. It's not any Malaysia. It's a definite article, man. It is the Malaysia. Ha ha! So, I'll run my mouth here while I jack this thing around. See if I can get the lid off of it. Come on, lid. Come on, lid. You can do it. Come on, lid. There's the lid. Alright, what do we got inside there? Trash, likely. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, the Butt Cracks 2000 Galaxy Echo board as seen on TV. That'll probably come out of there. And in its place, oh look, the RF gain control. For my convenience, it's simply lapper snatch it in there, or whatever that thing used to be. Everything else looks meh. Pretty sure they bitchered it. Yeah, they did bitcher it. The AMC, either the transistor or they got the little resistor that follows it. But there's the good part. The MB8719 for your big behind. And it works. So, this will be my new base station once I get it working to my liking. In the meantime, I'll just go worldwide. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.